My fifth and final technology resource that I'm going to share is Weebly. Weebly is a blog site that allows you to create your own blog to communicate with parents. I selected it so that I could do just that, communicate with parents. The purpose is to not only to have another line of communication with parents, but this one in particular allows me to build it so that I can store information there that my parents may need to access throughout the year, and that allows them to quickly and easily do that. The intended audience would be my colleagues, and the two standards covered would be ISTE E6B and TPAC standard TPK1. If you go to your Google search bar and type in Weebly, you're going to come to a place where you can choose to make your Weebly website at weebly.com. You're going to come up with a page like this that allows you to sign up. Once again, you can use your Google account or simply your email and create a password. Once you have done that, you will have your own site, which you will name. Notice I have the free version. There are upgraded sites that you can be charged for, but I keep mine pretty simple. So this is the free version of that. When you get on here, you will simply hit Edit Site. And once you get in, you can come up here at the top, and it pretty much helps you build whatever you would like to. You're going to create pages if you choose. You can just have the one main page. If you click on pages, you can see I've created a few, just my main information page, and then they show you here, and it also will show you always across the top, so parents can just click up here. I created one that would hold my spelling lists, so I just uploaded all of my spelling lists for the year so that parents could access those at any time they need to. There's a place for you to put information about you, information to contact you, so your school number or plan times or whatever you want to put there. I usually also list out my daily schedule so that parents can always go back and refer to that if needed. If you go to just your informational space there page, you can see that you not only have archives of all your old blog entries, but your most recent one here on top, which I generally use this as a way to communicate upcoming events. So you can put those in there for a period of time, allowing parents to get on whenever they need to. Parents can just log on to your website, or they can actually sign up over here. And if they put in their email and hit subscribe, they can actually be notified. It will send them an email each time you have updated the site, or they can just simply get onto the website whenever they need to. If you want to put something new or update the site, you can simply choose a text box, and you'll drag it down here and just put it right here above that line, and it will open up a new text box for you, which then you can type, you can copy and paste, and you can use any of these things over here to also add a slideshow or images or a map or whatever that may be. I pretty much just keep mine simple and usually cut and paste information from a calendar. I do sometimes add pictures of things going on in the class and that sort of thing, but it's easy to add what you'd like. You can make this pretty complicated or go into great detail and depth with a lot of the options, or you can just keep it a simple way to communicate information and have things here for your parents to refer back to whenever they need to. When you finish, you would simply hit update and it would update your post. So this is a great way to communicate with parents, and I hope this is something that you might enjoy.